Private areas are the most delicate areas of our bodies, and itching in the sensitive areas can be very uncomfortable. Some common reasons behind this problem include yeast infection, irritants, bacterial infection, menopause, skin diseases, poor hygiene, or simply an allergy to undergarments. There are several effective and simple home remedies to treat itching in private parts. Take a handful of fresh neem leaves and wash them thoroughly. Put them in a mixer jar, add little water, and grind it to a smooth fine paste. Then, boil about a glass of water on a low-medium flame for 5 minutes. Add neem leaves paste to it, and turn off the flame. Let it cool down for some time. Use it to rinse your private parts twice daily. Indian lilac, also known as neem, is a great home remedy for genital infections. It contains strong antifungal and antibacterial properties that help fight the infection and reduce itching and other discomforts. Alternatively, mix a few drops of neem oil in coconut oil and dab it on your private parts. Gently wipe it off after 20 minutes. Do it 2 or 3 times a day. You can also drink neem tea daily. Add 4 to 6 drops of tea tree oil to your bath water. Soak in this water for 10 to 15 minutes. Do this once daily until you get relief from the itching. Alternatively, add 4 to 6 drops of tea tree oil to 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and mix well. Apply this mixture on your genital area. Wait 15 minutes, then rinse it off with water. Do it twice daily. It contains strong antibacterial properties. Tea tree oil not only helps relieve itching, it's also effective in treating a yeast infection. Apply coconut oil around the affected area and allow it to sit for 30 minutes. Wash it off with warm water and pat dry the area. Do it 2 or 3 times daily. It is rich in antiviral, antifungal and antimicrobial properties that help fight the growth of microbes. Also, coconut oil taken internally helps boost the immune system. The fatty acid content of coconut oil helps soothe itchy skin and even helps fight vaginal dryness. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.